How to use PayPal in Weverse. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application Weverse. Enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, the next thing you want to do is head over to Shop at the bottom. It will open up your Weverse shop. Head over to any of the product that you want to make the purchase. Let me move into this product for now. Click on it. Once you are in the product page, the next thing you want to do is click on Purchase. Once again, click on Purchase. Enter all of the detailed information that has been asked over here. And then in the section of Payment Method, you have to choose PayPal. Once you are done entering the information, tap on Accept and Pay. After that, it will land you on the page where you'll be able to enter the detailed information of your PayPal account. Simply enter the information and then click on Pay. After that, your payment will be done. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.